It seems to me na nilubos-lubos na ni Xiaomi and nilabas na nila lahat ng bala nila sa Redmi Note 12 series. And finally, naglabas na sila ng 4G variant. Itong Redmi Note 12 Pro. Before, nauna ang 5G series. But this time around, naglabas sila ng a little bit more cheaper na variant, which is the 4G variant. So in this video, malalaman natin kung itong phone nito, kamusta ka ng performance, ka ng camera, ka ng gaming, and kamusta ka ng aesthetics. Pag-usapan natin after this quick intro. So hi guys, ako si Richmond ng Gadget Sidekick and welcome back to my channel. So itong Redmi Note 12 Pro na 4G variant na may 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage is currently priced at $14,999. Link on the description. Tara, unbox muna natin. May SIM ejector pin siya. Meron siyang documentation. Meron siyang jelly case na may takip siya dito sa kanyang charging port. So ito na si Note 12 Pro with some quick specs. Maganda-ganda star blue color dito sa likod ng phone and kita natin ang daming glitters dito. Medyo pag-gradient siya all the way down to darker blue na color. And nandito ang kanyang 108MP na camera module. Other things inside the box, charging cable, and 67 watts na fast charging brick. So bigyan ko lang kayo ng quick phone tour. Sa ilalim din ng SIM tray, Type-C port, microphone in, of course, and loudspeaker. Sundutin lang natin siya. So this one is a hybrid sa likod. Either use a micro SD or isang nano SIM na SIM 2. And sa kabila, it's a SIM 1 na 4G nano SIM. On this side, fingerprint scanner sa power button and force na volume blocker. Sa ibabaw, nandiyan ang kanyang audio jack, second loudspeaker, noise cancelling mic, and of course, ang kanyang IR blaster. On this side, it's pretty clean. And sa harap, kita natin, there's the punch hole camera. So, ayan guys, nakita na everything you need to know na nasa loob ng box. And nakita natin ang kanyang design. This is the star blue color. And honestly, magandang color sa likod if you take a good look at it. Pag nailawan siya, yung parang may mga stardust siya na lumilitaw, ang ganda. Then, ang color niya is gradient na light blue down to a little bit more darker blue. And it really shines. Ang ganda ng kanyang color. And sa likod, it has the 108MP na camera sensor, which for me, parang ang liit ng kanyang sensor this time around. And another impressive thing dito is, andyan pa ka ng audio jack. So, it's a bonus para sa mga mahilig pa rin sa wired na headphones. Now, itong phone na ito is being powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G. It's a 8nm chip. It's not a new chip anymore. Was hoping that they would put something new into this one. But, well, I guess siguro na overstock lang sila sa 732G na processor. So if you ask Antutu benchmark, binigyan siya ng 414,000 points, which is quite average for a phone at its price point. And if you further break it down, these are the score na makukuha mo. So kung chinek mo naman si 3D Mark, this is the score na makukuha mo. And if you check yung ganang thermal throttling, ginawa ko naman siya 5 times para to make sure na tamang result na nakuha ko. It throttled to 84% and quite good naman ang kanyang resulta. So itong phone na ito has a 5,000 mAh of battery which can power you through the whole day without charging. Kaya-kaya naman niya. And it's being supported with a 67 watts na fast charging brick. Now, if you charge this one from 10 to 100, tinry ko naman siya. Nagtapos naman siya charging in an hour and 25 minutes. So, nung nilagay ko naman siya sa battery stress test, nakakuha naman siya ng 13 hours na screen on time. And this one is being rated under 50% brightness and 60Hz screen refresh rate. Now, ang screen size nito phone na ito is a standard 6.67-inch na AMOLED display, 120Hz ang kanyang screen refresh rate, and ang kanyang maximum brightness dito is 1,100 nits, which is quite okay when you're reading your phone under the direct sunlight. Now, itong phone na ito is currently running inside Android 11 and, well, currently it ships out with the Xiaomi MIUI 13 but pwede mo siya upgrade to Xiaomi MIUI 14 since nag-push na ang kanyang update. Then, check naman natin, this one has a wideband security level na level 1 and you can watch all HD dito sa phone na ito and nanood tayo ng videos dito on YouTube. I would say na okay ang kanyang resolution dito dahil very bright, matingkad naman ang screen. And I love the way it is. Medyo hindi ko lang masyado gusto, siguro medyo makapal kundi ang kanyang baba. But a little bit thicker din ang kanyang side bezels. But yung kanyang punch hole is quite small. The viewing angle dito sa phone is good. And the colors are punchy. Nanood naman tayo ng mga animes, mga basketball games, and nanood naman tayo ng mga dark scene na movies. Okay naman siya. Wala akong naging problema dito. Even reading manga dito is quite good. naglaro naman tayo ng Call of Duty Mobile dito and putting it on all high settings. I can say ang game dito is quite good. I was able to enjoy yung gameplay, quite responsive mo kanang touch the screen. What's impressive dito is yung kanang loudspeaker is quite loud for a phone at this price point. Hindi ko ina-expect na medyo maganda ng mga sounds dito. Kahit hindi ka na gumamit ng headphones dito, kayang-kaya naman niya to give you a good immersive experience when you're playing the Call of Duty Mobile. As far as I'm concerned, wala masyado na feel na lags along the way. And the hottest na na-achieve ko dito sa phone na ito when playing around mga 30 minutes to an hour is around mga 39 degrees Celsius. Na ito phone na ito has quad camera setup, starting with a 108MP na main camera sensor, 8MP na ultra-wide lens, 2MP na macro and 2MP na depth. It can shoot up to 4K and 30fps, and sa harap niya is a 16MP na front-facing camera which can shoot up to 1080p and 30fps. So, nilabas ko naman itong phone na ito, taking some photos on outdoor condition. Okay, maganda ka ng camera, but I can say na it's a little bit saturated. The green is greener and the blue is bluer. And taking some photos dito sa mga orchids, okay, maganda naman siya. Medyo mafe-feel mo talaga parang enhance ang mga colors na dito. But overall, it's Instagrammable. Diretso mo pwede upload sa Facebook, sa Instagram. It will give you quite some number of likes din. So ganda naman ang picture na nakuha dito. Now, if you bring this one indoors on low light condition, kaya din na mag-perform. Maganda mga images na nakuha na dito. And taking in some photos dito sa loob ng coffee shop, it's quite good. Very sharp and quite nice. It's very much Instagrammable. Using the front-facing camera, okay siya. It was able to perform din under low light condition. Unlike the Redmi Note 12S, which had a hard time pag medyo madilim. Madilim din ang mga photos na nakuha ko using the front-facing camera. But ito, okay na okay siya. On outdoor, pretty much okay ang mga photos using the front-facing camera. But on some condition like this one, I'm not quite sure kung bakit medyo namumuti. And yeah, rare naman na nakakuha ko ng ganung photos, but just take note na meron ganun pangyayari dito sa phone na ito. Tingnan muna natin sa videos na na-capture ko dito sa phone na ito. So guys, this is the Redmi Note 12 Pro 4G, and right now recording at 1080p and 30fps. I can say the video is quite stable and the resolution is not so bad. And yeah, this is probably going to be your entry-level vlogging phone. I think it's pretty good, or you just want to use it for chat. Yeah, could do. So the front-facing camera, I would say na magandang kanyang video na nakuha dito. Quite stable naman siya. Even though it's shooting at 1080p and 30, okay naman kanyang resolution. And you see the rear camera taking a 4K and 30fps na video. Well, mafe-feel mo it's a little bit jerky, but yung resolution is quite good. Maganda nga ng color reproduction naman sa video, and you can use it as a good camera pang vlogging. Now guys, overall experience dito sa phone na ito, I would say maganda siya. Probably the only thing na medyo nakakadismaya is, well, gumamit pa ng lumang chip si Xiaomi using the Snapdragon 732G. But overall experience and feel dito sa phone na ito is quite okay. And I hope na makapag-upgrade din to into Android version 13 pretty soon. So guys, if you're interested to buy this phone, I'll be linking on the description box below. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course, click that bell icon para hindi naman miss ang future uploads dito sa aking channel. And so, ako para si Richmond, and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. What's up? Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.